IronCAP X is simple and easy to use. I'm going to show you a quick end-to-end user experience. Simply visit the IronCAP X product page from the IronCAP.ca website. From this page, you can click the button to request a download. Now, after a simple installation, you'll be prompted to enter your name and assign a password. When this is done, IronCAP X will automatically integrate with Outlook on your computer. Now I'm going back to Windows and opening Outlook with IronCAP X option already inserted. Now, when composing a new message in Outlook, there's an option to encrypt your message using IronCAP X, just like this. Now, let's try to compose a new message to jsmith@ironcap.ca with a simple subject line and simple content, just like how you would compose any normal message. Now, when I'm done typing, I can choose to encrypt and digitally sign this message. After choosing that, I can just click to send it as usual. The message will arrive on the other side, end-to-end, encrypted without staying on our server. This means only your recipient can decrypt your message. For maximum security, the message remains encrypted on your own computer. You will also need to enter a password to view your encrypted send items. Striking a balance between security and usability, there is no need to enter a password again until you have closed Outlook and reopened it again, or after it times out. Now I'm switching to the receiving end. To save demonstration time, the receiving end already has IronCAP X installed. Let's open Outlook. Here you can see the new message has already arrived. The recipient needs to provide the password he or she creates during the installation of IronCAP X in order to read the encrypted message. The digital signature also lets your recipient easily distinguish between legit versus phishing emails, even though they both appear to be sent by you. Similar to the sending side, there is no need to re-enter the password again until after you have closed Outlook and reopened it again, or after it is timed out. If the receiving site does not have IronCAP X installed yet, the recipient will see an invitation message to install IronCAP X. IronCAP X is so simple that it explains itself. It is the world's first ever quantum-safe end-to-end email encryption system. Every day, millions of people send confidential and financial information via emails that are not properly protected. To protect your privacy and fight against email phishing, please visit IronCAP.ca today and download IronCAP X. It's fast, it's safe, and it's free.